Digital products, or are you considering becoming a seller on Etsy? Etsy can be a gold mine for someone who is artistically inclined. You could sell anything from paintings and candles to bound journals and everything in between. Even if you may not have artistic abilities, you could make a good living by running an Etsy shop. Digital products now account for a sizable portion of Etsy sales, and their popularity is only growing. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn why selling on Etsy can be a good idea. Here are the best digital products to sell on Etsy in 2023 to help you avoid becoming overwhelmed. Before we get into the most popular Etsy digital products, you might be curious about how to make them. Fortunately, there are numerous apps and websites that can help you quickly create digital templates. Adobe Illustrator is the most well-known graphic program, but it has a steep learning curve and costs money. Canva, on the other hand, is a free and simple-to-use alternative. It's designed for the inexperienced graphic designer, but it can produce work that looks like it came from an expert. However, if you're serious about selling digital products on Etsy, you should brush up on your graphic design skills. Numerous free courses are available to learn all the design and tech skills required to thrive on Etsy. Selling digital downloads on Etsy can become a healthy extra income stream, whether you need a work-from-home side hustle or are looking for a travel-friendly job to earn on the road. Here are some digital products that are popular on Etsy. Business cards. Everyone nowadays is an entrepreneur. Perhaps not everyone, but enough that the business card industry is thriving. And for a good reason. A failed business is one that no one knows how to find. People are constantly looking for ways to get sleek, one-of-a-kind business cards to advertise their company. If you can deliver on that, you'll be in good shape to generate some additional income. You'll also be one step ahead when marketing your business card company. The best part is that you can design them using Canva's business card maker in minutes. Personal planner templates. Personal planners are the only thing that keeps many people's lives running smoothly. Without them, they would devolve into complete archaic anarchy, running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Etsy sellers are aware of this. They bet on the chaos that would ensue if they were not there, and they work hard to provide customers with beautifully designed digital and printable planner templates. Customers download the pages separately after purchasing and print them on their own. They will then punch holes in them and put them in the binder of their choice. It's a simple idea that can make some decent cash. Calendars. Enter an industry constantly in demand, and you'll never be out of work. They weren't just talking about doctors and pilots when they said this. It also applies to calendar makers. We will need to be able to keep track of the passing days and years for the rest of our lives on this planet. Yes, you can use your phone's calendar. However, millions of people prefer to write things down the old-fashioned way. If you're proficient in digital art or Photoshop, you can sell cool, one-of-a-kind calendar templates that people won't find anywhere else. Electronic books. Before the internet, the only way to become a published author was to find an agent and sign a contract with a major publishing house. With the invention of ebooks, writers can self-publish their work, and Etsy is one such platform that makes this possible. So, if you've written the next American novel or a new self-help book full of helpful tips, consider selling it on Etsy. The process is similar to that of selling on Amazon. Finish and format your manuscript, add title covers or internal imagery, and upload the files to your store. Customers can download the files and keep them indefinitely when purchasing. Wedding invitations. Marriage is an expensive venture. The wedding business is a multi-billion-dollar industry that fervently inflates prices on anything labeled as wedding goods. While we don't fault its hustle, not everyone can afford the exorbitant prices that come with wedding necessities. This includes wedding invitations, which is why digital invitations have become so popular. Instead of spending a fortune on beautiful invitations printed on flamingo skin paper, apparently that's a thing, buyers can download designs that are just as visually appealing, but can be printed on less expensive, non-flamingo paper. Cardstock may not be flashy, but it gets the job done. Resume templates. With unemployment rising due to the pandemic and inflation, among other reasons, the future will require many job interviews, and millions of perfectly formatted resumes are necessary for these millions of interviews. You can make money by selling resume templates if you know how to arrange job history and skills to catch a potential employer's attention. The key to success in selling resume templates is to offer high-quality, professional templates that are easy to use and customizable. Photography. Although a picture is worth 1,000 words, the average person wants to spend far less than thousands of dollars on one-of-a-kind original photography. Thankfully, Etsy is brimming with the work of new and experienced photographers who have poured their blood, sweat, and tears into honing their craft. Many independent photographers, those who aren't signed with significant agencies, make a good living selling prints on Etsy. You could do this. Camera. Menus. Every special sit-down dinner, whether it's an anniversary dinner, a graduation celebration, or a private dinner party, may require a menu. Restaurants use elaborate menus, but average, ordinary, regular people are increasingly incorporating printed menus into their celebrations. If you're good at formatting menus, Etsy has a spot for you. Like some of the other ideas in this list, you must create an eye-catching digital template that buyers can edit and print after purchasing from you. Logos. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, an average of 4 million new businesses are started every year. Due to 21, that is a lot of new logos that need to be created. Many of those new business owners may look for logo designs on Etsy. This is where you come in. The catch is that while some Etsy logo sellers are legitimate graphic designers, many are not. Many free AI programs available today can instantly generate hundreds of logo ideas. So, technically, no skills are required, at least until your client requests something particular. You should check out the video description for some AI-powered logo design programs that can help you get started. Templates for social media. Social media can be highly beneficial to businesses. It is, however, time-consuming. As a result, social media templates are among the most profitable digital products to sell on Etsy. You can use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn to create packages that save business owners time. These are examples of pre-written captions, a content scheduling calendar, copy and paste hashtags, and even day-by-day action plans. This saves business owners from wasting neurons trying to figure out Instagram's latest algorithm. They follow your instructions, fill in the blanks with your templates, and then go about their business. It would be best if you considered narrowing your focus to capture a smaller market. For example, you may create a social media playbook for a real estate agent's Instagram account. Then you may grow to offer other platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, which opens up an opportunity for return customer sales. So tell us in the comments, is it profitable to sell digital products on Etsy? Selling digital products on Etsy can be a good idea for a variety of reasons. Here are a few. Broad audience. Etsy is a well-known and popular online marketplace with a large and diverse customer base. This provides an excellent opportunity for sellers to reach a wide audience and increase their sales. Low overhead costs. Digital products do not have the same costs associated with them as physical products, such as production, shipping, and storage. This can make it easier for sellers to start and run their business on Etsy, as they don't have to worry about these costs. Easy to create and sell. Digital products can be created and sold quickly and easily, as they do not require physical production or distribution. This can make it easier for sellers to get started on Etsy and start making sales quickly. Potential for passive income. Digital products can be sold multiple times without additional production or shipping. This means sellers can earn passive income from their digital products on Etsy. Overall, selling digital products on Etsy can be a good idea for those looking to start an online business with low overhead costs and the potential for passive income. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it...